All right, so I bought these cool solar lights. I think y'all are going to like them. These are 3 mode, and they're going to light up the backyard exactly how I need it. I don't know about y'all, but I recently stopped ordering stuff from Amazon due to this whole virus thing where they won't send you out a package. You know, you got Prime, and it's supposed to be there within 2-3 days, whatever, and it just takes, a week or two. So what I started doing is going with eBay, and man, eBay, them people, if you choose the right person, they'll send you stuff out right away, and it's actually like packaged properly. It's not like, and you'll see this huge box for these 2 little lights, and it's just like, that's ridiculous, man. What? And it won't fit inside my mailbox, so then I got to go all the way up to the post office and pick my stuff. These lights are made by Inkman. So originally they sent me out the wrong ones. Like the ones that were pictured were not the ones that they sent me. So I sent those back. Now we have these, and they seem to be the right ones. So I'm excited that we're going to have all matching lights across the backyard. Not having the matching lights won't look good. So I sent those back. I ordered these here. They sent me the right ones. They're branded a little different, but they're the same light. I needed a medium light throughout the night, not a motion sensor. Since these are on my backyard fence, I just want them to be on. It almost gives like a runway light look, so it's pretty cool. So these style lights with 3 modes usually run about $35. These will give me the desired effect that I'm looking for. These 2 lights are a little different, but it's just a labeling. They're the same. All right, I'm gonna get these out in the sun. Get them charged up. Put them on the fence. Okay. I decided not to change these batteries out due to the fact that they come on at dark, and when I get home at 11:30 at night, they're still on. And I've woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I've gone there and checked, and they're still on. So they seem to, that's about when they start to run out, because I did notice that one light was off, and then maybe within the next 10 minutes another light was off. So that's when they start to run out, that's perfectly fine. So we're just going to keep the original battery in there, no problems.